Shots I'm drinking. It's better when I'm drinking. I do not when I'm drinking. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be doing space buns tutorials. So yeah, I don't typically wear this hairstyle, but it's around, so I'm going to try it. So if you guys are interested in seeing me do this tutorial, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm going to use my Y2 comb. So I section my hair into two parts, and I'm going to tie one part to the side and work on one. I'm going to need a little bit of water. Spray leave-in conditioner. And then you get one scrunchie and tie the hair. And I'm just going to wrap it under one time. And then I get a second scrunchie. And I try to get my bun into like a circular, you know, to a bun look. I'm going to tuck the hairs in that's sticking out. If you don't have bobbin pins like me, just, you know, try to roll the hair into a bun. I'm going to take my hair out, and then the same thing I did to this side, I'm going to do to this side. Uh-oh. It's okay, Kai. Yeah guys, this tutorial was fast, simple, and easy. You can try this tutorial for back to school because I know school already started. Or you can just do this hairstyle whenever you don't want no hair in your face. So yeah. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, comment in the comment section down below and subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.